Hi everyone. Today we are discussing a branch account second problem. Please watch this video till end because this is very important. Today I am showing you different method and easy method. So it is very useful to you. Don't miss it. And this is very important for it comes to the 15 marks question. So that's why don't neglect this video. Please watch full video. This is the problem. So I'm not reading a full problem, but I'm showing you so different method how we are solving this problem. The Mumbai General Stores sends goods to their various branch at cost from the following particular relating to Chennai branch. So head office is Mumbai General Stores. So branch is Chennai branch. So these are the necessary informations given here. So stock 1. So here what I'm doing in this problem, I'm solving a problem first method. So I'm writing here problem, I'm writing here, sorry, written here. So first step what I did, opening balance and closing balance. That's opening 1/4/2018 and 31st March 2019, opening and closing. So I written here. So example C, opening stock, debtor, opening debtor, petty cash, and opening furniture, creditors, and bills payable. So these are the openings, right? So that's why I'm writing here stock, opening debtors, petty cash, furniture, creditors, bills payable. So these are the opening balance. Okay. So next I'm returning closing balances. So come to the problem. Closing balances, stock, closing stock, petty cash, creditors, and bills payable. Only 4 items here. So I mentioned here 4 items: stock, petty cash, creditors, and bills payable. So one more thing, return of furniture by 10%. This is also, it comes to the closing balance. Okay. So this is one thing. So second, what I'm doing, so here opening and closing, so finished. So next we have some other items, right? Other items means we are second one I'm taking goods sent to branch. Related to goods sent to branch I'm writing here. So see, second one what I'm taken, goods sent to branch. Goods sent to branch, how much they sent? 22,000. So it's in the problem 22,000, goods sent to branch 22,000. So remaining expenses they send to branch from the head office. So that's why I'm taking here head office send the expenses to the branch. What are the expenses? Salary, rent, and petty cash. So I written here. So next, goods returned by branch. So goods returned from the branch, goods sent to the head office, that is 800 rupees. I'll show you. So goods sent to the branch. Okay, see you. Goods sent to branch, that is 22,000. Salary, rent, and petty cash, these are the expenses. And goods returned by the branch, returned by the branch is 800 rupees. Got it? So this is the second one I did. So third one what I'm doing here, cash sales, credit sales, data related, so items given, bad debts. So only these items left. These items comes to the total debtors account. That's why I prepared here. See, prepared what I prepared, sales. We are dividing two types. One is cash sales and credit sales. So cash sales 10,000, credit sales 25,000 given in the problem. Cash sales 10,000, credit sales 25,000, right? So next what is given, cash received from debtors. So debtors, when he will create the debtors, debtor will created when credit sales comes, that time debtor will create. Okay, so that's why he given debtor, but he received the cash, that is 9,000 rupees. Received the cash debtor, that is 9,000 rupees. Your sales return from the debtors, sales returns, discount allowed to debtors, bad debts. These three items related to the credit sales. So that's why I dividing three columns here, three points. Discount allowed 500, sales return 400, bad debts 100. So this is the third step. So first what I did, opening balance and closing balance. So I taken. Second, what, goods sent to branch. So branch related, goods sent to branch related. Okay. So third, I did that is the debtors related. Right. In this video, we'll prepare debtors account and branch account. Okay, so now I'll show you. See, this is I prepared. So you know that stock account, that is opening stock account, debtors, petty cash, furniture, creditors, these are the openings, right? So in branch account it will come branch account debit side. So debtors account debit side, debtors account debit, this is debtors account debit side. Writing here debtor account debit side. Petty cash, this is the branch account debit side, this is also branch account debit side. Creditors also the so think this is opening stock in branch account will take the credit side, not in debit side, because this is the liability, that's why. So credit side. Bills payable also credit side, because this is also liability. So debit side and credit side over. So see, these are the debit side, right? Only creditors will comes to the credit side, right? So in closing balance, you know that in branch account credit side, but creditors it is a debit account, branch account. Clear? So next to furniture, your opening balance is there. So this is the closing balance. So that's why what we'll do, 6,000 rupees is the opening minus. So we'll take the 600. Why I am taking 600? 600 means that's a 10%. 10% means 6,000 into 10 divided by 100. So it will come 600 rupees. So 5,400 is the closing furniture. Okay. So this is also credit. Got it? So these are the debits. The only creditors and bills payable are the credit side. So these are the credit. Only creditors and bills payable are the debit. Clear? So furniture also, this is also credit. Next, second one. In goods sent to branch. So in goods sent to branch account, there's a 22,000 is debit, because goods sent to branch means it comes in to branch account, it comes in. Okay, some expenses paid, who paid? Head office paid. So that's why all expenses are comes to the debit side, that is the branch account. Okay, next, goods returned by the branch. So branch send the goods to the head office. So that's why what is this, where we are entering here, there is a credit side, branch account credit side. Here in third part, so what sales related is there, these are the comes to the debtors account, not in branch account. So separately we are opening the debtors account. Here sales items, that is the debtors, total debtor account we are taking here. So cash sales and cash receipts, these are not a debtor, because cash, when credit will come, that time the debtor account will open. So that's why cash and cash sales and cash receipts are the, so not a debtor, that's why we are taking the branch account. So cash sales, branch account credit side. So this is also branch account to credit side. So that is a bank account to column, bank account we are showing bank account there. So and cash received we are taking in a debtors account to credit side. So these three items, discount allowed and sales returns and bad debts, these items showing in the credit side. So all credit side, where credit side debtors account credit side. Okay, come I'll show you solution. See, debtors account balance brought down, credit sales I taken here. So these are the discount allowed, sales returns and bad debts and cash received. So total, and then we got the 19,000 is the balance carried on. This balance carried on means debtors closing debtors. Closing debtor means 31st March 2019. Okay, so next branch account. See, branch account. See, opening stock, debtor, petty cash and furniture. These 4 items I entered here. Okay, these creditors and bills payable. So these are the balance brought down, creditors and bills payable credit side. So all 4 items debit side. Next, goods sent to branch. So goods sent to branch 22,000. Next, all expenses debit side, that's the bank account. So next to cash sales and credit sales, so we'll take the cash sales. So this cash sales is bank account, that is a 10,000. And credit sales, this credit sales means there is a debtors credit sales. So I mentioned here credit sales 25,000. Okay, so next, cash received from debtors. So cash, already told you, cash received. So that's why cash received from the debtors 9,000. So next, sales return from the debtors. Sales return. So it's a sales return is 400 rupees. So that's the debtors account, total debtors account, sales return from debtor. Discount allowed also. So discount allowed also 500 debit side. Sorry, credit side debtors account. Bad debts, so debtors account, bad debts credit side. Goods returned by the branch. So goods returned by the branch returned 800. So these are the closings. These two, stock and petty cash closing. Stock and petty cash closing I written here. So creditors and bills payable closing, but it comes to the creditors and bills payable this side. So one more is there. There is a furniture 10%. Already I told you there is a closing furniture. So minus 5,400. One more thing. Here balance carried on, we got 19,000. This 19,000 is the closing debtors. So that's why we are taking the closing debtors 19,000 rupees. So total 59,400. So this 10,600 is the transfer to general P&L account. General P&L account. Thank you.